We can't see it, touch it, or taste it, but carbon dioxide is everywhere and in large amounts.
Oceans and the land actually emit about 210 billion tons of carbon into the air every year and reabsorb about that much. Humans add about 9 to 10 billion tons. The difference is we're just putting it in.
But how do we know exactly where all this carbon dioxide is coming from? Thanks to a group of satellites that are taking high-resolution photographs. Dr. David Crisp, a senior research scientist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, explains.
As sunlight travels through the atmosphere, carbon dioxide and other molecules absorb only certain colors of sunlight. By very carefully measuring those colors, one can determine how much carbon dioxide there is in the atmosphere. The advantage of making measurements from the satellite is that you can literally paint a picture of the spatial distribution of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. By looking at those pictures, one can identify places that actually have more carbon dioxide.
Tracking exactly where CO2 is coming from is more than just a scientific curiosity.
You can't manage what you can't measure. So policymakers will use data to help understand where the CO2 is being emitted, whether countries and municipalities are actually complying with their commitments. But even more important than that, policymakers will use this data to find out whether policies that they put in place are actually working.
Regardless of policy, the carbon dioxide that we're already seeing accumulate in the atmosphere won't go away anytime soon.
Carbon dioxide is a very long-lived gas. If we put more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, it will cause more global warming and other climate changes. Some of those changes may be beneficial, some may be not, but you're going to have to live with them for 1,000 years.
I'm Dr. Heidi Cullen, and that's How We Know.